Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the ProCharts app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. ProCharts is a marine navigation app designed for boaters, sailors, and fishing enthusiasts who need reliable nautical data on the go. The app provides detailed marine charts, tide and current forecasts, real-time weather overlays, and GPS-based route planning. It also supports offline chart downloads, customizable map layers, and interactive tools that help improve safety and efficiency while on the water. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate ProCharts for its accurate tide and current data, clear chart layouts, and integration with GPS for real-time positioning. The ability to use offline charts is especially helpful when sailing in areas with limited connectivity. Its clean interface and customization options make it practical for both casual boaters and experienced navigators. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced features, like detailed weather overlays or extended chart coverage, require a premium subscription, which may not be affordable for everyone. There are also occasional reports of slow loading times when handling large chart files. For those who sail in very remote areas, chart availability may be somewhat limited compared to specialized navigation systems. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the ProCharts app may be worth using if you're looking for a reliable marine navigation tool with detailed charts, tide data, and offline functionality. It shines in usability, accuracy, and customizability. However, if you need full global chart coverage or want advanced features without paying for a subscription, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.